Ever feel like there's something missing in your music, podcast, or videos? In today's music streaming culture, audio visualizer is a new thing to keep the consumer really much engaged in the audio. Not every video you will produce will be based on the song, making it really important to find creative ways to keep consumer attention. A traditional music video doesn't transport listeners into a trance-like state as music visualization does. Hey guys, welcome to Onemaker Studio, where we want to sharpen your video production skills in as little time as possible. In this video, I'm going to show you a few things that you should know before starting the audio spectrum video, and also different ways to create an audio spectrum like a pro. Make audio spectrum like Aftereffects. With Onemaker.io, you can create audio spectrum just the way you can create on After Effects, as all the templates are pre-built by using After Effects itself. It's just you can save lots of time and energy and be more creative with the application. How to make a free video visualizer. To do that, go to the audio visualizer section, click on Sort button on the right hand side. Choose from free templates. Now you can choose one whichever suits best to use. Top 10 audio visualizer speaker app and website. Also, you can check out some amazing apps for creating the audio visualizers, which goes like Onemaker.io, Render Forest, Video Bolt, Audio Vision, After Effects, Sound Render, AV Player, Astral 3D, Visible Audio Visualizer. 3 ways to speed up your content creation journey. Think of your song like a road trip. Before you get back up the car and hit the open road, you need to plan where you're going and the sites you want to visit. I like creating a sort of visual roadmap for my song, for my content creation. The more you create these roadmaps, the better you get at actually being able to fully visualize them in your head. Write out the various section names, intros, chorus, etc. Create new memories in the family of faces. Repetition is the key to making sure that your audience remember the chorus of your song after it finishes. It also helps distinguish the different sections from each other. Imagine if each one of your choruses sounded completely different. Your listeners would probably be confused, and more importantly, they would have a hard time figure out which part of your song is the hook, is the chorus. Bringing your listeners back to a singular sounding section and their heart before gives them a sense of satisfaction around having finally arrived. Rolling in the Deep is probably one of the produced songs which I cherished. Definitely one of my favorite, as it takes the listeners on an intense musical journey. And the most important still, it doesn't matter what style of music you primarily work in your songs. It should be fun, 3 to 4 minute adventures that you share with your people within listener video plans. Don't be afraid to take them on a ride with you. It doesn't have to be crazy. You'll be surprised how introducing something new and that can make a world of difference. So storytelling is the best creativity you can go to. But I also think that you might like to get a quick checkout on Onemaker.io. So go check out our website. I look forward to see you in the next video where we will meet with another great learning web content creation journey. Bye-bye.